Before I do anything to my new devices, especially the iPhone 12 Pro Max, is install a screen protector. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a Torras Diamond Hard Design screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The screen protector is rated at 10 times military grade shatter proof, has an easy installation kit, and it's clearly shockproof tempered glass film for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Without further ado, I picked this bad boy up on Amazon for $25.99 with Prime shipping. This is what it's gonna look like when it comes. Torras, simple but unique. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the packaging here. Very simple, nothing to it, plain. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic film around the packaging and see what we have inside. Kind of reminds me of a Spigen box with that bright orange. Let's go ahead. I don't think I need this knife no more. Pull this. Nothing else. It's inside the box, nice and clear. Inside the box we get our easy installation tray. Bam. A kind of squeegee to squeeze out all those air bubbles. Our installation guide. A let's start a wonderful journey. Kind of gives you some warranty information, the necessities needed to install the screen protector and the screen protector itself. Very hefty. I believe this is a very premium screen protector here. We do have two, so this is a 2-pack, and we do have a nice black border around the screen protector there. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. Bam. Feels very solid. We do have a nice little black border around, and we just have a cutout there for the earpiece, nothing else. But I'm liking this Torras screen protector. I've purchased them before and been very satisfied with these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the very first thing you want to do is always install a screen protector on your device. You want to protect that investment. So let me go ahead and prep this and get ready for installation here. All right, so I do have a little bit of bubbles here. I don't know if you can see, but those will go away within 24 hours. This screen protector feels very, very premium. Very, very good. Let me go ahead and power this bad boy on. But I'm gonna go ahead and test the touch sensitivity, see if it interferes with anything of that sort, and the camera unlock. Obviously, I don't think it'll affect the camera because it's very high quality, and this thing looks very good. I actually like the feel. It almost goes edge to edge. Feels very solid, very good premium tempered glass screen protector. It's only $25.99, but I think you get a 2-pack, so you don't have to worry if you crack it once, but feels very, very solid. So give me a moment and I'll come back after I finish setting up this phone. All right, we're back, and the sensitivity on this thing is okay. No issues, as you can tell, very nice and fluid. This thing is still refreshing, but it's looking good. Now, does it work with Face ID? And it absolutely does. As you can see, it just face unlock right there. So there is no interference with Face ID. Boom, it unlocks it all the time. So therefore, the front facing camera will be with no issues there. Let's take a portrait of myself. Okay, dude. And look at that beautiful mug right there. No issues with the front facing camera. So the screen protector right here, Torras Diamond Hard Design screen protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max or the 12. You can get it for any size or any iPhone. Link will be in the description below. $25.99. It has a 4-star rating on Amazon, so it's 180 reviews that are left behind. This seems like a very nice, high quality screen protector. You won't be disappointed. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and get yourself one. Again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this screen protector, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.